Are you looking for the best outdoor security camera? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor security camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Blink Outdoor 4. Thanks to its particularly wide field of view, the wireless Blink Outdoor 4 can help you keep tabs on everything that happens around the perimeter of your home. Highlights of the camera include a 1080p recording resolution, person detection via subscription, cloud and local video storage, and an extensive battery runtime of up to 2 years. Alexa and if support make it quite versatile as well. Alexa and Blink fans. If you already rely on Amazon's voice assistant to control your smart home, the affordable Blink Outdoor 4 should fit right into your system. It responds to voice commands reliably and conveniently uses the same app as any other Blink devices you might own. Convenience seekers. Wire-free installation makes this a top pick for ease of use. As a potential drawback, the Blink Outdoor 4 runs on 2 AA batteries, so if you want something you can charge via USB cable, look elsewhere. Number 2. Ring Outdoor Cam Pro. The pricey Ring Outdoor Cam Pro is a weather-resistant plug-in security camera that offers detailed 4K imagery, impressive low-light video capabilities, and smart AI-powered alerts. Powered by Ring IQ, it offers AI-generated smart alerts, video searching capabilities, and animated notifications. It's easy to install and delivers stunning image quality. Ring users. The Ring Outdoor Cam Pro integrates seamlessly into the company's lineup of smart home security devices, making it a smart addition to an existing setup. People who want powerful zoom. The Ring Outdoor Cam Pro is one of a handful of new outdoor security cameras that offer the company's new Retinal 4K video technology, designed to provide higher resolution video with enhanced low-light performance and 10x digital zoom support. Number 3. Nest Cam Outdoor, Wired, 2nd Gen. We've been fans of Google's Nest range of cameras for a long time, but the existing models were beginning to show their age, particularly in terms of resolution. This latest model of the Nest Cam Outdoor captures 2K video but also adds Gemini AI for smart alerts and event summaries. Google Home users. The Nest Cam Outdoor is designed to work seamlessly with Google's smart home devices and Google Home ecosystem. Those looking to keep tabs on visitors. Google's facial recognition is an effective way to stay informed about who's coming and going from your home. The addition of smart alerts makes this even easier and can help you receive alerts about individual family members if needed. Number 4. Ring Outdoor Cam, Stick-Up Cam. The Ring Outdoor Cam is a battery-powered security camera that is easy to install and works with lots of third-party smart devices as well as other Ring products. We like its sharp 1080p video quality, accurate motion detection alerts, and long battery life, but would love for Ring to add a local storage option. Those seeking convenience, a painless installation process makes this camera a solid choice if you don't want to deal with wires or drilling. Simply charge it, pair it with the app, and place it anywhere you want, inside or outside. An optional solar panel extends the battery life indefinitely. You have to subscribe to a Ring Protect plan to access video recordings, but the $49.99 per year fee is fairly reasonable, considering you get 180 days of video history, person alerts, and rich notifications. Amazon and Ring device users. As with other Ring devices, the Outdoor Cam supports Alexa voice commands and lets you view video on compatible Echo devices. It also works with IFT applets that enable integrations with other compatible gadgets, such as smart door locks, lights, and plugs. Number 5. Reolink Altas PT Ultra. The Reolink Altas PT Ultra is the first outdoor security camera we've tested that allows for continuous video recording on battery power. Its massive 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery is rated to last up to 16 months when set to triggered recording mode or up to 96 hours when set to continuous recording mode. The camera also offers sharp 4K video and is loaded with features such as auto-tracking that follows moving objects, mechanical pan and tilt maneuverability, and optional solar panel support. Those with uninterrupted recording needs. This is your best bet if you need an outdoor security camera with 24/7 recording that you can easily install without any wires. All video is stored on a micro SD card, as cloud storage is not an option for this camera. Alexa and Google users. The Altas PT Ultra supports the Alexa and Google Home automation platforms but doesn't work with Apple HomeKit or IFT.